Subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification of my all new videos. Assalamu alaikum friends, I am your host Taimoor Baloch and you are watching Taimoor Baloch channel. In today's video I am going to tell you how you can simply install the seal of the magnet coil. So as you can see that I have been removed the cover of the side engine, and after removing that I also have been removed the 3 screws of magnet coil. So after removing that you can simply take the magnet coil out like this, and here is the plate and the interior of the plate in which you must have to insert the seal. So I have been firstly removed the seal and also the orange set that must be present on the upper side of the plate. I have been removed both of them. So after removing that you have to insert the new seal if the old one is not in the good position. So first of all I think I must have to tell you the number, as you will see, and here you go. You can now easily see the number of the seal. The number is 22357. This is the number of the seal. You can only tell the number to the shopkeeper. Number of seal you can tell the shopkeeper and you will get the seal. It will be very easy for you if you don't see the number, because in some conditions the seal is so much in bad condition of the oil leakage, so you can not even see the number. So that's why I am telling you, and I am first of all telling you the number of the seal. So after that you have to only press the seal and it will be simply inside the plate to its place. And after inserting that, the only thing is left is the orange set that must be there at the side of the plate. So now I am going to install the orange set. Here we go. This is the orange set, because if the leakage of the oil is much more, you have to install the orange set. If the less, so you have to install the genuine set, because there is there is difference in the you can say the thickness of the sets. So today's video is here I have been ended. So take care. Allah Hafiz.